If you want to add more pages to your KDP book, or include activities to make it more valuable for readers, you can add a memory game at the end of the book. We have this in famous children's books. They sometimes add puzzles or memory games. A memory game is easy to create. I added another page, and this page should be on the right side of the book. Then I added a few of the images to organize the game on the page. After checking that all the images are the same size, I clicked on the page and then clicked Position in the top menu. I selected all the images on the page with the mouse and clicked Tidy Up. Now all the images are organized in a row. Then I duplicated the page to have the same images twice, so kids can cut the cards and have 2 of each to match in the memory game. You need to keep the pages separate so they can be cut easily. To make it look nicer, I added the bunny in black and white on the other side of the page, so it has something cute to look at while playing the game. Finally, I added 2 more pages at the end, so there's 1 blank white page. Because not everyone knows how to play the game, I also asked ChatGPT to write the instructions. That way, readers will understand why there are all those cards at the end of the book. Watch this video next, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.